Dafa pale nikupatia tamu. Tupike tamu. Tupike nini? Hebu ambia watu, hi guys. Mwambie umekasirika. Si uambie. Umewakasirikia. Umewakasirikia ama umenikasirikia? Hapo nikutengenezee tamu, si ndio? Tutengeneze. Tutakunywa maji? Unataka yogurt? Hii yogurt yenye umemwaga yote. Acha tukate. Tukate na kisu. Nini? Hii maji. Hapa hakuna kitu. There is nothing there, Tijan. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, nyanya basi. And we say, hey, you want to say hi? Hi guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aisha Shish. Karibuni sana. For the new subscribers, karibuni. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and also comment, guys. And also for the returning subscribers, guys, please make sure you subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for taking your time to come and watch. Yeah. So guys, today is on a Sunday. And najua mnashangaa, kwani niko wapi? Tuko kwa mom's place. Yeah, hapa ndio huwa tuna land. Tunakuja tunakula lunch after church, but I haven't cooked by the way. I want to cook right now. I even don't know if I'm going to cook kama ni lunch ama ni supper, but anyway, so let's do this, guys. Come to kameni sumbua. Tijan, upendi kwa shosho? Upendi kwa shosho? So tumekuja kutembelea shosho. So guys, if you're coming now, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and also comment. So guys, karibuni and enjoy the video. Say hi to people. You want to say hi to people? He's saying hi. Have you say hi to people? Yeah, he's saying hi. Anyway, guys. Mtu yeye amelala, so I want to cook. Hey, and before I cook, hey, I'm going to eat a banana, man. I'm feeling so hungry, so hungry. I need to eat something first before I cook. So I'm cooking rice and vegetable stew. I think you all know this. Cabbage, we call it cabbage. Manze, huyu mtu yeye amenisumbua. That is called motherhood. So before I prepare my ingredients, I'm going first to cook my rice. and I'm cooking plain rice. Sijui plain rice inaitangwa aje. You can comment down below venye huwa inaitwa. So let's do this. So guys, here I have added my kitunguu, my onion, and also my oil. I want to boil my rice. Yeah, and also I'm adding some salt. Yeah, then I put.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all.
I've washed my rice and I have added it now. So I want to put some water. Then I leave it to boil. Yeah. And also when you put your rice direct to the oil, you have to stir very well so that they zingiane vizuri. Yeah, they are attached to each other. So you put the required amount of water. Here mi nilieka tu kienyeji but nilikuwa najua venye naeka. Yeah, so I knew, okay, depending with the size of the sufuria, I knew where the water should reach. So I just sikupima, nilieka tu kienyeji. So I'm waiting for it. And my rice is ready. Here now I want to cook now my stew. I've already put my meat, my onion, my oil. Yeah. I'm now adding my I want to add my tomatoes and my capsicum. Yeah, so guys, if you're watching, if you're enjoying, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for taking time to enjoy this video. Yeah, I really appreciate so much. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. Yeah, so now here I'm putting my vegetables, and after that I'll let it to cook. Yeah, and wait for the food to be ready. Yeah, so guys, here okay, my reason as to these videos, I want to motivate women out there who maybe are feeling so down. They don't like doing things like cooking, doing things like washing and some stuffs, yani choice za nyumba wenye hawapendi kufanya, like they're just there. So guys, if you watch this video, be motivated in everything. Yeah, so enjoy the video and I love you guys. Yeah, and also we'll be learning things here and there. When I learn something, I'll come and show you guys so that even you can learn too. Yeah, tusaidiane, we learn out of nothing, like you learn something. Yeah, so guys, keep watching, keep enjoying my videos, give it a thumbs up, like, share, yeah, and also don't forget to comment down below. Yeah. Finally, ooh, the long I waited, it's here. Man, si nilikuwa nangoja itaiva lini? I'm so thirsty. I'm so hungry. Thirsty tena. Anyway, I can't wait to eat. Just 1 minute. Ushaisikia njaa hadi unaongoja kukata ka minute kao. That's how I'm feeling. Anyway guys, if you're joining now, you're not too late. Welcome sana, karibu sana. And if you're watching and you're not yet subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. For those who have not subscribed, a minute. Now appear to just a minute for silent. Subscribe. Oh, good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate so much. Yeah, and also for those who are returning back, karibu tena sana. Here is where we live the life. We love the life that we live. We appreciate the life that we live. Yeah. So guys, if you need anything, or if you need anything, like for me to do anything, like to cook, cleaning, whether here I do cleaning, I do cooking, like it's a full-time mom job, as in not job, vlog. Sorry. So kama unataka kupikiwa, like nipike, you see how I cook, comment down below. If you want to see how I clean things, cleaning house, cleaning anything, comment down below what you want me to clean. So anything, you can just comment down below and I will reply, and also I will do that.